As the sun sets this evening, you may have noticed an increase in high-level clouds out ahead of an incoming clipper system. This will bring some light snow to far northern Illinois tonight, with another blast of very cold air set to move in behind it by tomorrow night. As the system slides eastward this evening, a rather narrow band of mostly light snow will slide eastward, likely moving into northwestern Illinois by 8 to 9 p.m. or so. By midnight, this band of light but steady snow will be focused along and north of I-88, with the heaviest rates setting up along or just north of the Wisconsin border. Recent trends have actually been keeping the area of 1 to 3 inch accumulations north of I-90, potentially even along and north of that Wisconsin border. This is our latest accumulation map for tonight. Areas roughly along and north of I-80 will see at least light snow showers, adding up to a dusting to maybe up to an inch of snow as you head further north up to the I-88 corridor. Again, though, we expect those heavier 1 to 3 inch amounts to be limited to the northernmost tier of counties in Illinois, up to that Wisconsin border. There could be a pretty sharp cutoff in snow totals on the southern end of the system, which latest guidance has been hinting at moving this cutoff a bit further north as new data has came out this afternoon. Here's a look at the HER model's take on what to expect as far as snow accumulations go tonight. You can see the heaviest amount should be focused north of I-90 up to the Wisconsin border. And again, the latest data is hinting at this swath of 1 to 3 inch accumulations being pushed even a bit further north into Wisconsin possibly. Snow should be tapering off to just flurries and a few light snow showers by the time you want to be heading out the door tomorrow morning. Then, while most of the daytime hours on Wednesday should be dry, yet another fast-moving system will track through during the early evening hours tomorrow, once again with the steadiest snow missing just to our north. But still, some gusty snow showers will be possible across northern Illinois out ahead of our next shot of Arctic air. While we're not expecting much, if any, accumulations from this, areas that get under one of these heavier snow showers could see a quick half inch to an inch on Wednesday evening. So while this quick 1-2 hit of snow won't be a big deal at all, the bigger story will be the reinforcing shots of Arctic air that we'll be dealing with through the upcoming weekend. Wednesday actually looks to be the mildest day of the week, with highs in the 20s across the state before the next disturbance swings a cold front through during the evening hours. This will send temperatures back into the teens by Thursday morning. But then yet another Arctic front will pass through later on the day on Thursday, bringing perhaps the most intense bout of Arctic air we've seen so far this winter. Highs on Friday may struggle to get above zero for parts of northern Illinois, with wind chills possibly lower than minus 20 degrees during the daytime hours. Here's a look at wind chill values from Thursday night through the weekend. We should fall below zero Thursday night, and we might not rise back above zero until sometime next week. The coldest wind chills look to be Friday through early Saturday, when we could feel as cold as negative 30 degrees. We could see another reinforcing shot of cold air Sunday into Monday before we should improve at least a little bit by the middle of next week. But either way, it's going to feel brutally cold out there beginning on Friday. We're also watching what will likely be a major winter storm this weekend. For now, it appears impacts could be limited to southern Illinois and points south and east from there, as this very large area of high pressure across the plains could keep it from cutting too far north. But still, we'll have to watch the potential closely, as this could be a powerful winter storm, and any change in strength of the high pressure could allow for the storm to impact more, or maybe even all of our state. More on this potential tomorrow. But for now, we have a little bit of snow coming tonight and later in the day on Wednesday, followed by a major hit of cold air and sub-zero wind chills. Winter is here to stay for quite a while, it looks like.